were fortunately on our
activities and commitment of the administration to strengthen Luvilonio Dia, Doctor of Philosophy in Nursing in Loma Linda University as a Nursing Program Director, Azusa Pacific University, California. They have two daughters, Claire Dia Pringle and by Stephanie, with two grandsons, one grandson.
Extension kepada kalau kami bersama you know, I had that in my mind. I said, I don't have a gun, but I can have somebody to shoot you. But anyway, I was just waiting after 24 hours. That naman ang text. Sir, na extension ako. Wala na extension. Ang sabi niya, kumusta naman sir, nabaton ba niyo ang akong nga ilong gulit? Sorry ha, kung may ilong gulit.
Introduce Astronavaros and that, you know, my wife is also a nurse, and only that she doesn't want to work on the floor. So that's why after 1 year of working as head nurse at the pediatric department of Manila Sanitarium Hospital, she moved to teaching. So she spent most of her time now, for more than 30 years, as teaching in the universities. And so, you know, as I said, I'm not new to this kind of setting, the hospital setting. Apollo Sanitarium Hospital, Mindanao Sanitarium Hospital, and the vice chair is the president of the hospital, and so forth. So that's in the Constitution bylaws. But as soon as I came in, I did not assert that. And I said the union should, because so the church can feel that it really belongs to the church and not to Malaga College. But you know, but the thing is, in order for the hospital to survive, Malaga College has to come in. So every now and then we will give them 5 million, and then 10 million now, and then like that. So that's how we do it. In order.
No inheritance and no income. I was desperate for the information and the embarrassment in relation. I waited the last.
Sekarang ini, they go to the world of God. God type of song.
He's about you, that he's so unattractive that he rejected you.